20% of 60. Simply multiply 2 by 6. The answer is 12. 40% of 90, 4 times 9, 36. 70% of 30, 7 times 3, 21. 6% of 300. Simply multiply 6 by 3. The answer is 18. 9% of 500, multiply 9 by 5, 45. 11% of 700, 11 times 7, 77. What is 36% of 50? Remember that percent are reversible and can be written as 50% of 36. 50% means 1/2. So, we find half of 36, that is 18. What is 25% of 60? Let's convert 25% into fraction. That is 1/4 and then times 60. 60 divided by 4, 15 times 1, 15. What is 75% of 40? So let's convert 75% into fraction. That is 3/4 times 40. And then 40 divided by 4, that is 10, times 3, 30. 40% of 130. Let's convert 40% into fraction. That's 40 over 100 times 130. Cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. And then 4 times 13, the answer is 52. 8% of 250. Percent means for every 100. So let's create 3 boxes representing 100. But on the third one, it's half. It's only 50. So, for every 100, there is 8. So, 8 plus 8 plus half of 8, that is 4. So, 8 plus 8 plus 4, the answer is 20. 7% of 509. 7 times 5, 35. Then 7 times 9, 63. And then 2 decimal places. The answer is 35.63.